Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Cash App, and more specifically, we're going to answer the question, how to get money off your Cash App. So for example, if somebody sent you money on Cash App and you have funds available in your Cash App and you'd like to get the money off of the app into your bank account, or how can you get cash? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with Cash App, it's definitely one of the more popular peer-to-peer payment apps out there. And basically all it is it's an easy way for you to send money to your family and friends. And in the reverse, they can send you money, usually from your family and friends. But a lot of times these days, other retailers are accepting Cash App as a form of payment, usually for services. I remember I was parking in a parking garage one time and I didn't have any cash on me, and the attendant, they accepted Cash App. So they just give me their cash tag and I sent the money to them. They got it basically immediately. But how can you get the money off of your Cash App once someone sent it to you? That's what we're going to talk about. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Cash App. It's this green and white app right here. If you don't have this app already, be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. From time to time, they run bonuses where if you sign up with my link, you get an extra bonus, and so do I. But I'm going to go ahead and open up my Cash App now. All right, I went ahead and opened up my Cash App, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, you can go ahead and request money from someone. You can also pay somebody by clicking on this button. But if you want to find out how to get the money off of your Cash App, what you want to do is go ahead and click on your balance right down here. So I have $160 in my Cash App. You might have a different amount. It doesn't really matter because that's where you're going to click if you would like to withdraw the funds from your Cash App. So I'm going to click there now. All right, so here we are on the screen and it shows your balance. Once again, I have $160 in my Cash App, and we're going to try to answer the question how to get money off of your Cash App, or how to withdraw the money from your Cash App. So the first thing you need to do is you do need to add a bank account, because if you want to withdraw the money from your Cash App, you can't go to like an ATM or a Walmart and just take the money at the register. You do need to transfer the money from your Cash App into your bank account. And how do you do that? There's this little button right here called Add Bank. There's three buttons actually: Cash, Bitcoin, Add Bank. You want to click on this gray line right here called Add Bank. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you're here, then it's going to ask you to enter your debit card. And that's actually not what you want to do at this point. You will need to add a debit card into your Cash App at some point if you want to start using it. But in order to withdraw the funds, what you want to do is close this out. I'm going to close it out now. And you want to click on this button right here, Cash Out. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you click there, then you can choose how much you want to go ahead and take off of your Cash App. So how much are you going to send to your bank? So for this particular video, I'm going to go ahead and send $50. So I'm going to cash out $50. You're going to use this little slider, or you can just click on it and then enter how much you would like to withdraw. So if you want to do $51. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on Cash Out. I'm going to click there now. All right, next you have two different options. You can either do a standard withdrawal, and that's free. And basically, I'm recording this video on a Tuesday, and they're saying the money would be available in my bank on Thursday. So it takes about 2 days, 1 to 2 business days. If it's on the weekend, it's going to take a little bit longer. So just keep that in mind. You could also do an instant transfer. They do charge a fee for that. I think it's 1.5% with a minimum of 50 cents or something like that. I don't know exactly what the fee is, but they do charge you. So keep that in mind. Be sure to leave a comment below if you know exactly what the fee is to cash out instantly with Cash App. But I'm going to choose the standard since I don't really need the money in there immediately. I'm going to click there now. All right, next Cash App is going to prompt you to add your bank information. Now, this bank information is not your debit card information. It's going to ask for the routing number and account number. So what you want to do is go ahead and scroll around and look for your bank. So I bank with Chase. I'll go ahead and click there. However, if your bank is not there on this particular list, you can go ahead and search. So click right there, and then you can type in a bank. So let me type in Pentagon. So there's another bank, and it's not on that list, but they have most banks in the search function. If you can't find your bank, go ahead and click right here, and you can add it in manually by entering your account number and routing number. But I'm going to go back. I'm going to click on Chase. Right now it's asking me to enter in my banking credentials, so my user ID and password. So I'm not sure exactly who they use. They use a third-party company to verify my Chase account, and that way they're authorizing Chase to allow me to send money via Cash App and Cash App to send to my bank. So I know some people are not okay with entering your username and password, but this is the only way that I know in order to cash out your Cash App. So if you don't feel comfortable doing this, then you probably don't want to use Cash App. For me, I feel like it's a secure company since Square is a really large company and they're the ones who own Cash App. So because of that, I think it's in their best interest to protect your username and password. And actually, I don't even know if they get access to your username and password since they're using a third-party company. If you happen to know, be sure to leave a comment below. But I'm going to go ahead and enter my username and password off screen now. All right, so I went ahead and entered in that required information. I'm going to click Submit now. All right, next, Chase is letting me know they need to send an authentication code to verify that it's me that's trying to access my Chase account. So I can go ahead and send a text, phone number, or email. For me, text is easiest, so I went ahead and chose that. I'm gonna go ahead and click continue. All right, they're saying a text was sent to my cell phone from Chase, so I'm gonna go ahead and verify that code now. All right, I went ahead and verified the code. I'm gonna click submit. All right, next Chase is asking to choose which account I would like to link with my Cash App. So if you have multiple accounts with Chase, you would just choose one. So I'm going to go ahead and choose one now. All right, I went ahead and chose one. I'm going to click continue. All right, and just a few seconds later, it says that the $51 will be available in my bank account on Thursday. So I'm going to click done. All right, next the screen pops up so you can see my balance has decreased by $51. So now I only have $109 in my Cash App. So that's how you can take money off of your Cash App. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But as far as I know, that's the easiest way. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.